going to be doing scale scale drawings, bearings, and trigonometry. You can tell I'm very tired, but I'm going to keep going because that's what we do. Hey there, so today is the 4th of January 2022, and it is Thursday, and it's currently exactly 4 p.m. What is on my agenda today? I have two things, very important things. I'm going to be doing ICT theory, trying to get the portion done for pre-models, which are at the end of this month. I'm going to be revising everything from the textbook, and then basically solving past papers and memorizing the past papers instead of the textbook, because if you have ever practiced, ICT past papers, you would know that all the correct answers are in the mark scheme and you're not going to find all of them in the textbook. So I'm trying to be as efficient as possible. We're going to see how that goes. But yeah, so ICT theory and math, I want to do a lot of practices. And then if I have some free time today without procrastinating, I'm going to be organizing all of my paperwork for 10th grade. I got this file a couple of days ago. My sister got it for me. It looks blue on camera, but it's purple in real life. It's really pretty. Basically, has a lot of these, sections, and it's perfect for 10th grade because, we have a lot of worksheets and notes, and I myself like to use these notepads for, practicing. So I have a lot of papers everywhere. This is the perfect place to store them instead of multiple files. Currently I have, 3 small full files, so yeah, I'm gonna organize everything. That's when I have free time, because that's what I call not very important currently as much as ICT theory is. So I'm gonna be filming some time lapses, and hopefully I get a lot of things done. Yes. So I finally settled on what chapter I want to do for math. I'm going to be doing scale drawings, bearings, and trigonometry. You can tell I'm very tired, but I'm going to keep going because that's what we do. Basically, I don't know why I picked it, but we took half of this in our previous exams, and we're currently studying the second half, so I'm sure that the second half is going to come in the exam, but I'm not sure if the first half is coming. Anyways, I decided that I'm going to be finishing the whole trigonometry section because it's a whole topic in the syllabus, and so I printed classified papers for trigonometry so that I can practice. So basically I'm going to be revising the whole chapter, studying the bits that the teacher didn't give us yet so that I can start solving this. And I don't have much time left. I want to sleep as early as possible, so I don't know if I'm going to be able to solve a lot of questions while studying the whole chapter and revising. But I would say that, I only need 20 minutes for revising and then another 20 minutes for studying, so only 10 minutes or 20 minutes for solving. I hope I will be solving a whole paper, basically save my exams, separates everything by paper. So this is hard paper 1, and then there's another hard paper 2. So I hope I'm gonna be able to solve at least one hard paper. If not, it's okay, at least I did something. But I don't think I'm gonna be able to organize my stuff into my beautiful purple file because there's no time left. But maybe I'll wake up tomorrow before class just to do it because I really want to do it, but I might not. Depends really. But yeah, now I'm gonna be starting, and I'll see you later. Hey, this is Thursday and my tripod broke. I have to I don't know, stick them together. No. So this is how my to-do list looks like so far. It's not much, but I know that, we're gonna be taking chemical energetics in the next couple of periods and classes. Today I decided I will be looking at chemical energetics since this is a new chemistry chapter that we just took, and trigonometry questions because I didn't do much really and I really want to get done with that chapter and practice it more. So yeah, it might not seem like a lot, but each one has its own, little points that I need to go through. So I feel like it's enough time for both of these to get done. So for chemistry, actually, I'm gonna be attending I attend this teacher's online sessions where she explains basically the whole syllabus. I love her so much, and she records her classes too. And so I'm gonna be attending the chemical changes and energy classes. She has I think 6 recordings for it. I'm gonna try to attend as much as possible really and absorb as much as possible and take notes and everything. And if I feel like I need to finally switch to math, I will. And yeah, I'm gonna be updating you once I'm, half done with chemistry. So I'm finally done. I watched a whole class, and I didn't really get done with the whole lesson because the whole class was very detailed, and I did notes, lecture notes, 4 pages long. I'm actually very proud of them. I love doing them when listening to those lectures because they're very helpful, and her classes are very detailed. So yeah, I'm gonna be doing the others later because it's currently 10, so I barely have any time to do math, and I really want to do math. So I'm gonna start doing math now. Yay! Here is an overview of my Notion pages. I guess they mostly look like this. This is the chemistry table. Basically, I put my syllabus here, and whenever I am gonna do, or whenever we take a new syllabus topic, I change its status. So, for example, here's chemical energetics. We just took this. I open the syllabus here, and I see what we're gonna take and what we took if we took it before but we didn't. So 2 topics here. I am gonna update this. I did do it, so it's incomplete. We still didn't get most of it done, and it is in the 10th grade second term actually. So this is the first time I add in the 10th grade second term. So yeah, I added a new category and now I know all about it. This helped me a lot at the very beginning, like 9th grade, because we used to take, especially in chemistry, shuffle topics, so I didn't know what was going on, and it helped out a lot. So yeah, it makes it so much better, and I'm happy that I did this earlier, and now I can just upgrade it, and everything is gonna be, great. So yeah, I just wanted to share this.
اطفال علوم بقى.
لا صراحة يعني مش عاجبني الموضوع.
ايوه كتير قوي، هتطلعي كمان ماجستير تقدري تذاكري الذاكره عشان تترقي مثلا في شغلك او كده. لا.
Thank you so much for watching this video. I actually enjoyed vlogging, and I will most definitely do more vlogs in the future. And yeah, I have a vlog coming out soon, like next Saturday or Sunday, because I'm actually currently filming it right now. Stay tuned for this one, and I'll see you next time. Bye!